That's looking real good. Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony and I'm back in the dungeon, you know what I'm saying? Thank you as always for tuning in. Like I said 2 videos ago, I'm going to do a review on all the shoes that I copped during my little hiatus. So, without further ado, let's get into the shoe. What we have here is the, let me read the box for you, Ajko 1. This is white university red and black. Size 10, of course, my size. And it's a Jordan 1 box, you know what I'm saying? But it's got an old school feel to it. That orange, that infamous Nike orange. Go ahead and take this out. There we go. So this is a Jordan 1 silhouette. You got leather, canvas. I don't even know what they want to say on the eyelids, what they called that, but I guess metal. Yeah, it's metal. Canvas tongue. So, insole is white. It's got numbers on there. I really don't know what these numbers are. If you know, put it down in the comments. But it's a Chicago, you know what I'm saying, colorway. Me being a Reds fan though, this is red, Cincinnati red, you know what I'm saying, colorway, baby. That's the shoe. So it don't have the same sole as the Jordan 1. It's just a little bit different. Is it? Yeah. Oh no, I ain't tripping. Hold on. Pause. Yeah, my bad. I thought I was tripping. No, it has a different sole from the Jordan 1. If you want to see that again, I'll show you on the B-roll. But actually, let me show you the difference. Let me grab these. So, different sole. Oh, more of these. I know they dusty. I'm gonna have to rock them this weekend. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Got your Ajko up there. So, without further ado, let's get into the B-roll. Close this thing out, man. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Ajko. It's Chicago colorway. But like I said, this is Cincinnati colorway because you know how I'm coming with it. Go Reds, baby. And like always, man, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Tony TV. And like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next time. That's looking real good.